Original.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope you are doing great. If you are new, my name is Lizzy. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe down below, turn on your notification. Anytime I upload a video, you will be notified. So I know you will see this look in my other video. I just unboxing a new package, so I will be unboxing too, because why I have to do them is different things, and I received them yesterday. If I say let me upload them yesterday, it's too late when I receive them and I can't do a video because the light we have here is like yellow, then it's not going to be bright that much. So I just, okay, let me do this video today and do my makeup to look camera. If you are not watching the video, I'm going to leave the video one by one, so I'm not going to be adding them together because, as I said before, it's different. Then I will be unboxing light. So I already have this light, LED light, and the one I still buy now is still LED light, and I've already ordered. So my friend see the way I'm excited about my YouTube. When she was coming to my house, she surprised me with this. Yeah, she surprised me with this. I was so really happy, and I love it. I have to keep this because I'm using one already. This one I'm using is from my husband. It's still even gift, so I've not really buy my own equipment except this camera. And this, I will be unboxing. This one is very big. It's those two bunky lights. Why I got this one is that we want to open a new channel. So when I open it, I will let you know. Here we want to open a new family channel, what we do, what we eat, what we cook, like etc, like family channel. So I want to be uploaded there. The way here is dark sometimes, like my kitchen. It's not that like dark, it's not clear like the way this light is close to me. It's very clear. And if I'm doing getting ready with me, you will notice that the place I'm putting on my clothes, because my room is tight, so the place I'm putting on my clothes is dark. So seeing the clothes like that is not like, I don't know, I think you will understand me what I'm trying to say. Then I just think of getting this light. We can use it for any place we know is dark, like arranging the room, doing this. So I just, okay, let me order this. Let's get started and open it together again. I have my scissors here I used before. Subscribe please, we are having fun. Just support me. I know you guys are so amazing. I'll be receiving your subscriber anytime I go to my studio. I always see my subscriber increasing rather to decrease. No, it's not increasing, because I remember when I was 700 subscriber, before I go to my YouTube channel, I will be 600, I will be 450, I will be like it will be going down. But right now, before I go there, like to upload video or like check what is going on to reply the comments, I see that my subscriber is increasing. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate. Only one thing you guys have to do, you guys have to view my video, because the amount of subscriber I'm having now, if I have that video, like view video, I will have a lot of like view for my video. So thank you so much. I'm not complaining. You guys still amazing.
It's False. Standard. Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, baby, I can smoke it out. Yeah.
Is that light? Is LED light? Yeah, it's still LED light. Yeah, it's LED light. Is that those light that come in bunk? Like two. So first I ordered one before. It was expensive, but I was thinking it's two, but bringing it to me, open the box is one, then I have to refund it back again. then look for other place that will be 2, because I even add, I think it's 20 to get this 2 1. What is the need of getting 1? I can even like hide 1, be using 1, or use the 2 at same time. Yeah, I'm excited today. And it come with a light bulb. It come with how many light bulb? I think 8. It come with 8 light bulb. So I have to try if they are working. If the light bulb is not working, no problem about the light bulb. If the rest is working, yeah, I can buy light bulb in a local shop.
Lego. Yeah. Oh no. Oh yeah.
It's the original Batman.
One time. It's a bad man thing. It's body baby. VQs. Lego.
It's VQs.
I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can.
Standard.
Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you. Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you. Nobody can. Tell them I'm the realest, then they feel me. Killing on the rhythm, then they feel me. I'm always all about my business. I got my business and will never ever finish. She know be want to test in my style. Say she wanna throw the dice, body looking nice. From my hips down to her thighs. Then I look her in her eyes. One time, say she no one waste time. Bad man, me not give her one time, night time. Say she want me feel lifetime. Bad man, me not give her the pipeline. Enter the place, they be feeling her body. Swinging and moving and killing her body. She ain't got nothing to prove. She ain't got nothing to lose. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you. Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you. Girl, you are me island too. Beauty now your body gives me eyes can see. Oh gosh, fire can cool. The way you want your body, get your fire can cool. Boy, she said she want the rundown. Bad man, I me they run town. Then I tell her my lady, my baby, make she calm down. Bad man, I me they run town. One time, say she no one waste time. Bad man, me not give her one time, night time. Say she want me feel lifetime. Bad man, me not give her the pipeline. Giving her the vibe, say she wanna roll. Moving on her body, say she don't wanna go. Bad man's on the floor, people them applause. Singing and rapping, I'ma be killing on the floor. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you. Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you.
1, 2, I put it on you. Everything I do, girl, I do it for you. You, get it on me. Love the way you want, girl, put it on me. 1, 2, I put it on you. Everything I do, girl,
It's
I do it for
VQs.
you. Get it on me. Love the way you want, girl, put it on me.
Yeah. Oh no. Oh yeah.
It's the original Batman.
One time, it's a bad man thing. It's body baby. VQs, let's
It's
go.
VQs.
I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can.
Standard.
Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you. Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to tell them I'm the realest, then they feel me. Killing on the rhythm, then they feel me. I'm always all about my business. I got my business and will never ever finish. She know be want to test in my style. Say she wanna throw the dice, body looking nice. From my hips down to her thighs. Then I look her in her eyes. One time, say she no one waste time. Bad man, me not give her one time, night time. Say she want me feel lifetime. Bad man, me not give her the pipeline. Enter the place, they be feeling her body. Swinging and moving and killing her body. She ain't got nothing to prove. She ain't got nothing to lose. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can.
Standard.
Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you. Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you. Girl, you are me island too. Beauty now your body gives me eyes can see. Oh gosh, fire come.
Here is the final look. I'm done.
I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane.